The Office of the Comptroller of the Currency last year completed its fintech charter, and one of the questions around that charter has been whether the Federal Reserve will allow such a chartered or such a chartered bank to access the payment system. I'm curious if you think a fintech charter is a good idea in general, and what conditions you think might be necessary to allow the Fed to allow such a chartered institution access to the payment system.
I'm not going to be able to help you much on that. Those are great questions, and those are questions that are that our great supervisory people are looking at. I think we're open to these ideas, but I don't have any news for you on that today.
And then Mark.
Thank you. Steve Beckner, freelance journalist reporting for NPR. Mr. Chairman, you've echoed the widespread concern about slowing growth in China and elsewhere in the world. But I wonder whether it's possible that slower growth abroad might actually be beneficial to this country in some respects, at least. For example, perhaps increasing capital inflows and putting downward pressure on long-term rates in this country, as happened in the Asian financial crisis in the late 90s.
Steve, it's certainly possible. Ultimately, though, a strong global economy is good for us. We export to these countries. We trade with these countries. Part of the story of 2017, for example, was that European growth kept coming in stronger and stronger, and that meant the euro was strong, and that supported our exports. So ultimately, I think we benefit from having strong growth abroad, although you point to an interesting case.